How to set time limits on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set time limits on TikTok to help you manage your screen time. If you have been spending a little too much time scrolling, this is a perfect way to stay in control. Now, without further ado, let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your device. Once you have opened that, simply tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on three horizontal lines at the top right corner to access the menu. Once the menu pops up, simply tap on Settings and Privacy. Once you are in the Settings and Privacy section, simply scroll down until you see the screen time option. Simply tap on that to open it. And once you have opened that section, you'll see different options. From that options, simply tap on Daily Screen Time. Next, tap on Set Daily Time. And after that, you will be provided with the two options. You simply have to tap on Set the same limit every day. And once you have done that, a time option will appear. Simply tap on that. And on this section, you can set a time by selecting from options like 40 minutes, 60 minutes, 90 minutes, or you can even customize time. And once you have chosen your time limit, simply tap on next. And that's how you can set time limits on TikTok to help balance your screen time. It's a simple feature but super useful if you want to stay productive. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.